Hey everyone! If you're looking for an easy online video editor that can help you create videos, subtitles, social media content, and more without installing complicated software, Kapwing is a great option. In this video, I'll show you how to use Kapwing from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account using your email address or Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Kapwing dashboard. From here, you can start a new project, upload media files, or choose from available templates. When you're satisfied with the result, click Export Project. Choose your preferred export settings and wait for Kapwing to process the final video. After the export is complete, download the file to your device or share it directly using the available sharing options. For the best results, keep your projects organized, review AI-generated captions carefully, and always preview your content before exporting. And that's how to use Kapwing in 2026. Whether you're creating videos for social media, business, education, or personal projects, Kapwing makes the editing process simple and accessible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.